going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Lews. I'm going to be fishing the same spot I caught that 4-pounder. I'm going to be starting off in a different area though, and then I'll head over to that spot. Weather is pretty good this time. It's not as windy, it's cloudy, it's like 70 degrees, guys. It is perfect weather. Hopefully we can catch some, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting off right here in this area. This time it's not even windy at all. The lake is so calm. I wish I had my kayak, but I sadly do not. We're starting off right here, looking for some bass, sight fishing them if I can. The water is actually pretty clear, guys. After all this rain, it is surprising. I'm going to be starting off with this Cinco once again. This Cinco has been crushing it, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch any fish today. I'm not seeing any fish right here in this shallow pocket. So make my way down, make a few casts here and there, make my way to the left. I don't have much time because it is currently 5:15 in the afternoon. Probably have 2-3 hours to fish. See if we can catch any, guys. I just saw a ripple over there and see if we can land one, guys. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Doesn't feel like a giant, but I don't mind. Reel in this guy real quick. It's a small fish, guys. Not a giant. He spit out my Cinco, of course. Little smallmouth, guys. These things are so feisty. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Not a giant, little smallmouth. These things fight so freaking hard. I'll go ahead and let this fish go. I thought it was a big fish. He was just running with it. Nope, small fish, guys. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Back into the water. See if we can catch another one, guys. Hopefully we can. Let's get to it. No way I have another fish. No way, guys. Second fish of the day. That was my second cast in. Not a giant once again, guys. Another smallmouth, guys. That was my cast right after, not even joking. Second fish of the day, guys. Sorry, my GoPro kind of messed up there for a second. About the same size, guys. I have a feeling it's the same fish. That is funny. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. See if we can catch another one, guys. Maybe get a bigger one. Not too sure. Cast back in the same spot. There could be another fish, guys. I would not doubt it. Let's get to it, guys. Well, guys, I have made it to the final spot of the day. And as you can tell, this time you can hear me. Compared to last time, you couldn't. The lake is actually very calm today. It's a nice day today. High 70s, low 80s, guys. It is pretty good. Made it to the second spot. I caught 2 fish in the last spot. I fished some other areas, but I didn't really see any action. So I want to fish this area. Looks pretty good. I'll try out some topwater also at the end of the day. See if I can land any. Make a few casts where I caught that 4-pounder last time. Let's see if we can make something happen, guys. Let's get to it. Guys, funny story actually. I left this stringer last time when I caught the 4-pounder over there by the gate. And I'm like, man, I left my stringer. I totally forgot about it. I was so excited. I was not thinking that to get it back, right? And so I come back. The good thing is, like, that was only a few days ago. So I came back, I looked, and it was there. It was still there, guys. That was a good thing. Pretty funny though that it was still there. I sometimes lose a bunch of stuff here at the lake, and I come back the next day and I always find it. And sometimes I don't. People take it. So luckily this time it was there. Pretty cool. But to give y'all an update, I haven't caught any fish so far. I haven't caught anything in this area. I've landed 2 fish today, but that was on the other side, and it just seemed to calm down. The bite just stopped. So I have no idea where these fish are at, what they're eating. So I just need to figure that out, guys. Hopefully we can catch one more though. That'd be good. So we can catch another one though, guys. There you go, guys. Third fish of the day. That's a decent one. That's not bad. That's a nice one, guys. Come on, get over there, buddy. Stay pinned, stay pinned. That is a decent one. Not a bad fish, guys. Third fish of the day. I have been fishing for a while now, trying to catch a fish. Took a little while, guys. Finally a largemouth, guys. Not bad. There you go, guys. Chunky little largemouth. about a 1.5 pound, 2 pounder. He fought super hard. Not a bad fish. There goes another little bass right there, guys. Literally, I haven't seen any fish all day here in this area. And then turned on, guys. The bite just turned on. Not a giant fish, chunky fish. Not bad, guys. I'll keep fishing, try and catch some more, guys, but I do not know when we'll be able to land another one. Hopefully I can, though. Not a bad fish, though. There he goes. That fish is so aggressive. Oh my gosh. Back into the depths. Alright guys, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 3 fish in total, guys. The first 2 fish, I feel like they were the same fish. I have no idea, guys. 2 little good smallmouth, guys. And the 3rd fish of the day was a pretty decent largemouth, guys. Not a bad day at all. I tried my best to catch a 4th fish of the day. Hopefully next time we're able to catch 4 fish or even more, guys. Hopefully. I think next time I'm going to be on my kayak. I'm going to come back to this spot, guys. Definitely fish the docks and hopefully we can catch some more, guys. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future videos. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.